Here comes the crochet tutorial for the Tulip Granny Square. Start with the blue yarn and make a magic ring. Round 1. Crochet 16 double crochets DC. The first DC can be replaced with 3 chain stitches. CH. Place a stitch marker on the third chain. This counts as the first stitch. Continue crocheting DC normally and mark the last stitch as well. Tighten the ring after finishing. At the end of each round, slip stitch SL street into the first stitch. This does not count as a stitch, so pull it tight. Cut the yarn and weave the tail to the back. Round 2. Switch to green yarn. Make a slip knot and adjust the loop size. Join the green yarn into the first stitch of the previous round. Chain 3 counts as first DC. Then chain 2 and crochet another DC in the same stitch. While crocheting, tuck the yarn under the stitches to hide the tail. This completes one leaf set. Skip the next stitch and crochet the next leaf set. For all other leaf sets, crochet DC normally. Only the first set uses 3 chains as a substitute. Repeat to make 8 leaf sets in total. Cut the yarn. Round 3. Join pink yarn in the middle of the leaf, the space between the 2 chains. Chain 3 counts as first DC. Then crochet 4 more DC in the same space, total of 5 stitches. Pull up the loop, remove the hook, insert it into the first stitch, and pull the last loop through. Chain 1 to complete 1 tulip, made of a 5 DC popcorn stitch. Chain 4 and move to the next leaf space to crochet another tulip. Repeat to make 8 tulips in total. Round 4. Join white yarn between the leaf sets from round 3. Chain 3 counts as first DC. Then crochet 2 more DC in the same space. Make sure to encase the pink chains. Chain 2, then crochet 3 more DC in the same space to complete 1 corner. In the next space between leaves, crochet 3 DC to form a side. One corner plus one side equals one pattern. Repeat. Repeat 4 times without cutting the yarn. Round 5. Chain 3. Counts as first DC. Then crochet 2 DC in the next stitches. In the corner, 2 CH space, crochet 2 DC. Chain 2, then 2 more DC. For the sides, crochet DC evenly without increases or decreases. Repeat for all 4 corners and 4 sides. Round 6. Join blue yarn in any stitch. Follow the same pattern as the previous round. Crochet DC evenly along the sides. And for the corners, crochet 2 DC, chain 2, 2 DC. Finally, here's a quick demo on weaving in the ends.